We are out here today working on the walls. We have one completely done. We just need to put the sheeting on it. And then we also have the other wall that we've done. I've been cutting the braces in the between while Joe's been working on the roof. And I'm gonna screw those in and we're gonna get ready to stand the wall up. We're moving and grooving.
Picture you're working up the counter. So I'll hold it here and then you bring it down. And then hold it tight on that line, the string, really tight. Pull it and then snap it. Snap it twice. All right, good. So now we got a level line all the way across.
This is cool, this old one.
Yeah, the brand new DeWalt one I had broke.
Oh, come on.
No, I went to go pull the thing and it snapped, so. Looks good?
Look at that.
Beautiful.
So now I just have to bring it.
Rinse and repeat. Nice. And then we'll just nail that in. Good job.
Thanks. I wasn't cutting yet, I was just measuring. I'm just writing each one down and measuring it so I
Nice.
know.
My old compressor is not getting any more than 60 psi. So I gotta see what's up.
This has come a long way from what it was just a month ago. Fenced in and disgusting.
It was.
Look like dog patch. my line. Okay, I'm really liking it. It's bringing it to life real quick.
All of our future endeavors.
He must want lunch early, ladies. 'Cause he's making progress.
This one goes out just a little. Chickens help. Square. See it? Don't see it. Thanks.
I gotta start at the bottom.
I'm a little proud too.
Bottom. So I gotta start down there.
Oh yeah. Perfect. I did that, so we tie that in at the top.
I know, but I want to make sure I remember I need to start down here. Bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top.
Let's lift it. Ready? Easy ball.
Failed you, not fooled you, bit off more than we could chew. In silent rage, I'll come of age, the one you thought you knew. He must learn his lessons too. What's before, what's left behind, has troubled and clouded your mind. Gave up on him as he fell far short. Your man, his love and his light, anxious, pale with fright. Your man, his love and his light.
Nice.
I'm holding on to memory. I can memorize no more. I'm hanging on to my enemy.
There's a board down there still.
Adore. I'm holding on to my enemy. No nostalgia. No nostalgia. No whisper, no sound. Silenced as I'm slowly burning out. Dismissed again what I needed most. My truth was shrouded in doubt. Soundlessly I sang out. The listeners are torn, left crowd. I'm holding holding on to memory I can memorize no more. I'm hanging on to my enemy that I adore. I'm holding on to my...
So I'm going to measure where all of the redheads are going to go while he's finishing squaring up that corner. Getting him up there.
Not necessarily getting them up there, but going the Joe Bells. So I need him to overlap. So this one needs to come over and like that.
You want me to get the ladder and go over there?
You're gonna have to lift that. Okay. And it's the high one. Why don't you come over here and hold that instead? Push it up to the house.
Hey, hold on.
That's gonna be really tricky. Right there.
Hurry, it's slipping. Oh. Okay. I got it now. You can lay down. Careful. Nice.
Put one in here so I can pivot it. Now I'll just walk it over. Let me see how straight this board is though, if I can move. Yeah. That's it. Did you nail these in there? You can step on them?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. Alright. Looks pretty okay.
Till you get to the center, but you'll have to pull that in and screw it.
So what I'll do is I wonder if I can just screw that
And then push it.
and then push it in. I'll just pin it there. Just gonna bump it over. I could do that trick with the hammer and the nail and pry it over. That's what I'll do.
Bushy.
Huh?
Bushy.
Is that bud? Yeah, that's pretty straight up into this point right here. That's actually our seam too. I gotta close that gap up. This is just half the wall. We still got to build 4 more walls. But those should go up pretty quick because they're just going to be right under here. I don't think we need to redhead those down. What we're going to do is attach them to this bottom plate. What?
The listeners at home, they've crowd. I can memorize no more. I'm hanging on to my enemy that I adore. I'm holding on to my enemy. No nostalgia. No nostalgia, no nostalgia.
Not quite gold now anymore.
No, but the braces in between the studs look nice.
Choose truth over fairness and over price. Choose truth over fairness and over pride. No, I'll choose truth over fairness, over pride. No, I'll choose truth over fairness, over. I'm holding on to memory. I can memorize no more. I'm hanging on to my enemy that I adore. I'm holding on to my enemy. No nostalgia, no nostalgia, no nostalgia.